locked out of your vehicle? Well, here's a trick you can do if your vehicle has this style for under 10 bucks. If that, maybe 20. You're gonna make your own button grab tool. Right here I'm using 5/16 plastic, internal diameter, and here's steel cable. Steel cable, get you 4 foot of it. Take your 2 ends, put them together like so, and then pull the wire. And when you keep pulling it, it'll come down to like so, and just squeeze it. Now if you've squeezed it, that's where your middle is. Take your 2 other ends, feed it through the hose. And you can tell I messed up. So let me modify this. I want about that much of it sticking out on there. So for me to control it, I need to cut it about here. So let's go ahead and cut that. And with this right here, you can turn around, put heat shrink on here, and run heat shrink down here. But nice emergency tool to make, and you just made yourself your own button grab tool. Hey, hit that button down below, like, subscribe if this helped you out. I am a locksmith, and just sharing the tips and tricks that I've learned through the years and stuff I wish I would have known back then. Thanks again for watching. Be safe.